As part of the 2020 budget presentation, the finance minister touted as one of the achievements the fact that they've managed to save about 4 million depositors through the financial sector cleanup. But it appears some customers are unhappy. For example, disgruntled customers of the defunct First Allied Savings and Loans Limited have besieged the premises of the receiver to demand answers for the delay in the payment of their locked-up investment. The Bank of Ghana in August this year appointed Eric Nipa as a receiver for the specified institution to validate claims for onward disbursement of funds to customers following the revocation of its license. But the aggrieved customers say they have not received anything after the validation. Citi Newsroom's Ni Ayikwe reports.
First Allied Savings and Loans Limited, together with 23 savings and loans companies, had their licenses revoked by the Bank of Ghana in August this year due to high insolvency pursuant to Section 123 Clause 1 of the Banks and Specified Deposit-Taking Institutions Act 2016. The Central Bank thus appointed Eric Nipa as the receiver for the validation of claims by customers for onward disbursement of a capped amount of 10,000 Ghana cedis for depositors with large sums of money. According to some customers of the defunct First Allied Savings and Loans, they have not received any notification from the receiver after the validation.
We have been able to save with a particular bank. We trust a bank. We know that it is a savings and loans bank, a bank that has got a license from the government. So what prevents us from saving in a bank? So we went to save our money. And today we want our money and then we are not getting it. So that is why we are here. We don't understand why we save money in the bank and it's time for us to, they said in tree, they hear that in a disc to bank. So they hear that has come and then we want the money and then we are not getting it.
We are customers of First Allied Savings and Loans. And earlier this year we heard that the government of Ghana has taken the license of First Allied. So for the past month, we've been waiting for the validation messages. We are not getting, whilst other savings and loans are being paid. So today we walked in here to hear from them. And actually what they are saying is one person from First Allied has taken the whole First Allied to court. So they can't pay us since they don't have our databases. So that's why we are here this morning to hear from the receiver himself.
Your honor, I'm afraid I say Aban so de sika be maye enti yemra na ye mefere forms ana ye be fere forms no ya fere forms na ye den awie aye say ye ho nyan ye won twanyemu a ye twen ye sika ene ye kwoti say omo si obidi First Allied court etini nya de aban sika na otua no First Allied for yen ye benye sika ene say na sanite de ye ba ne bebisam.
Spokesperson for the receiver, Philomena Kuzo, says a suit filed against the defunct financial firm by a customer is to blame for the delayed payment.
One of the customers of First Allied took the bank, the savings and loan company to court. That was long before the revocation. And so when the revocation happened and we took their proof of debt, we have to compare it to what they have in the database. But here in this case, the man who took the bank to court got an order to lock up the building. So we can't have access to the database that we need to work with. And so that is the issue.
The aggrieved customers are considering demonstrating at a later date to press home their demands if the receiver fails to address their grievances within a week.
One person sent a bank to a court and then the bank has told that same person to go and lock a bank or sell the things to pay himself. So now, if the government is saying he's going to give us the money and then he has been able to lock the bank, why don't the court allow him to unlock the bank? Then they pay us, including him.
In fact, we are very, very disappointed. Very, very disappointed. After this receiver came in, all what we got to know this morning that a certain person has taken this court, this issues what? To court. What does that thing concern us? We are going to take action. We are going to, what do you call it? Organize ourselves well. And we are going to take the next action.
or working also as our Scanaba. And now Scanaba, I can say, Obida, one man at the Sub Court, and the end of the Benjano, Untrekadia, as a fraud.
In fact, what I think is we have to organize a national demonstration, a very big one, of course. I think right now we have to even go to the Parliament House right now because we are serious.
Behind me are some of the customers who are very much agitated because they are yet to receive a dime from the receiver who was appointed by government following the revocation of the license of the First Allied Savings and Loans Limited. Reporting from Opebia here in Accra, I'm Ni Ayukwe Okain for Citi News.